Peekaboo, Alaska. Learn animal names and sounds for kids. Hi everyone and welcome to Alaska. Let's go explore all the animals that live in this snowy climate. Did you hear that? Let's say peekaboo. Maybe he'll come out.
3, 2, 1.
Peekaboo. What animal is that? It's a bald eagle. Bald eagle. Bald eagle. I think I saw something in the water. What animal is that? It's a killer whale. Killer whale. Killer whale. Something's hiding behind that iceberg. What animal is that? It's an otter. 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 Did you see those footprints? There's an animal behind the log. Come on out. What animal is that? It's a stoat. A stoat. Stoat. Let's bring back all our animals. Ready? Ta-da! Ready? Ta-da! We found all the animals. I wonder what animals are hiding over here. Let's take a look. What animal is that? It's a moose. A moose. Moose. I wonder who's behind that sled. What animal is that? It's a sled dog. Sled dog. Sled dogs. Whoa! Did you see that? What animal is that? It's a snowy owl. Snowy owl. A snowy owl. Look at the house. Let's say peekaboo. Maybe he'll come out. Peekaboo. What animal is that? It's a polar bear. Polar bear. Polar bear. Did you see that? It's behind the snowman. What animal is that? It's a wolf. A wolf. Wolf. Let's bring back all our animals. Ready? Ta-da! Ready? Ta-da! Ready? Ta-da! Hooray! We did it! Let's see what animals are over here. I hope we find some. There's something in that tree. Let's say peekaboo. Maybe he'll come out.
3, 2, 1.
Peekaboo. What animal is that? It's a brown bear. Brown bear. Brown bear. Brr, it sure is cold out here. Let's look for more animals. What animal is that? It's a walrus. 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 There's something in that bush. What animal is that? It's an Arctic fox. Arctic fox. Arctic fox. Something went into that igloo. I bet it's an animal. Let's say peekaboo. Maybe he'll come out. Ready? Peekaboo. What animal is that? It's a musk ox. Musk ox. A musk ox. Let's bring back all the animals. Ready? Ta-da! Ready?